If you're searching for the best sewing machine for home use, this video is exactly where you want to be. I've tested, compared, and stitched with some of the most popular machines out there, from heavy-duty beasts that can punch through leather to whisper-quiet computerized models that feel like luxury in your hands. But here's the thing, not all top-rated machines live up to their hype. So today, I'm cutting through the noise and showing you the 5 sewing machines that actually deliver real performance for home users. We're going from number 5 to my number 1 pick, the one that I think absolutely dominates in terms of power, stitch quality, and overall value. And yes, you'll find all the links to each sewing machine right down in the description if you want to check current prices. So grab your fabric and let's jump right in. At number 5, we have Singer Heavy Duty 4423. Starting strong at number 5, we've got the Singer Heavy Duty 4423, one of the most reliable, no-nonsense machines you can get under $200. Don't let its price fool you. This is a serious workhorse built for real sewing. This model packs a motor that's 60% stronger than the average home-use machine, which means it blasts through denim, canvas, upholstery fabric, and even light leather without hesitation. You're getting up to 1,100 stitches per minute, and that's real-world speed, not marketing fluff. It comes with 23 built-in stitches, covering everything from practical straight stitches to stretch, decorative, and buttonhole patterns. The automatic needle threader saves you time every single project, while the stainless steel bed plate keeps fabric gliding smoothly even under pressure. The adjustable presser foot pressure lets you jump between delicate chiffon and thick jeans with zero skipped stitches. It's purely mechanical, no touch screen, no fancy menu, and that's exactly what makes it bulletproof. You can sew for years without worrying about a circuit board dying or software freezing mid-project. It's the best sewing machine for home use if you value raw strength, mechanical reliability, and long-term durability over digital gimmicks. Simple, powerful, and nearly vibration-free, the Singer 4423 is built like a tank and backed by a 10-year warranty. But if you want a machine that combines tech, precision, and versatility, the next one levels things up dramatically. At number 4, we have Brother CS7000X. At number 4, the Brother CS7000X, and this is where the line between hobby and pro-grade sewing starts to blur. This model is what I call a smart sewing machine for real home use, combining simplicity with high-end features that make sewing faster, smoother, and more creative. You get 70 built-in stitches, including decorative, heirloom, and quilting stitches. Whether you're making garments, custom home decor, or beginner-level quilts, this machine gives you that flexibility. The LCD screen makes stitch selection effortless, showing exactly what you're doing at all times. The automatic needle threader and top drop-in bobbin are almost foolproof. No fighting the thread, no jamming mid-project. And that snap-on extension table, rare in this price range, gives you extra workspace for bigger pieces like blankets, tote bags, or curtain projects. It even includes 10 presser feet, covering zippers, buttonholes, blind hems, and quilting work. The adjustable sewing speed helps when you're working on delicate fabrics or tight corners, and the drop feed system lets you switch to free motion quilting without effort. At 750 stitches per minute, it's slightly slower than the Singer, but that trade-off gives you better precision, cleaner stitches, and far quieter operation. It handles up to 8 layers of denim, though it truly shines on medium-weight fabrics like cotton, linen, or blends you'd commonly use at home. For home crafters, students, or anyone starting to take sewing seriously, the Brother CS7000 is one of the best sewing machines for home use, hands down. It's intuitive, smooth running, and built for creative growth. And trust me, the next machine is where home sewing crosses into professional-grade territory. At number 3, meet the Bernette B77, a powerhouse for anyone who's ready to take home sewing to a professional level. This machine doesn't just look premium, it performs like it belongs in a design studio. The integrated dual feed mechanism gives you perfect, even stitches across every type of material, from soft chiffon to thick multi-layer quilts. With 500 built-in stitches and 17 one-step buttonholes, you'll never run out of creative options. Its 5-inch full-color touchscreen isn't just for show. It lets you tweak settings live, adjust tension, and even access a built-in sewing consultant that recommends stitch types based on fabric. That means less guesswork and more consistent results. The semi-automatic needle threader, programmable foot control, and knee lift make the workflow seamless. Add in 8 presser feet, including a walking foot and quilting foot, plus a spacious extension table, and you've got serious workspace flexibility. The Bernett B77's internal structure is rock solid, minimal vibration, perfect stitch formation, and automatic tran tension that adapts in real time. It's ideal for advanced home sewists who want precision and power without moving to an industrial machine. If you're serious about sewing and want something that can evolve with your skills, this is arguably one of the best sewing machines for home use in 2025. But what comes next pushes performance to industrial levels right in your home studio. At number 2, we're stepping into the professional zone, the JUKI TL2000 Qi. This machine delivers a staggering 1,500 stitches per minute, and it does it with unbelievable precision. The microcomputer-controlled speed system keeps every stitch consistent, even when you're sewing thick materials or slowing down for detailed work. Everything about the JUKI screams performance, from the foot-activated thread trimmer and knee lifter to the massive 23-inch extension table that gives you the kind of workspace usually reserved for industrial setups. The automatic needle threader, drop feed for free motion quilting, and ultra-bright LED lights all come together to create a serious home quilting experience. It's built almost entirely from metal, which means it's solid, stable, and made to last for years. Here's the thing, it only does straight stitches, but the consistency, power, and smoothness you get are unmatched in this class. If you're into quilting, upholstery, or advanced projects, this is easily one of the best sewing machines for home use if you want industrial-grade power in a compact, manageable form. But my number 1 pick, it outperforms everything else when it comes to precision, ease of use, and versatility for everyday sewing. So, taking the crown at number 1, the Janome MC6650. This machine defines what the best sewing machine for home use should be. This is a pure powerhouse that blends speed, precision, and reliability better than anything else in its class. With 170 built-in stitches and 2 alphabets, it covers every sewing style, from garment construction to intricate quilting. The 10-inch metal flatbed gives you a stable, wide working surface, while Janome's superior feed system plus ensures buttery smooth fabric feeding, no puckering, no dragging. It sews through heavy denim, canvas, or multiple quilt layers effortlessly, maintaining perfect tension and professional-grade stitch quality every time. It runs quietly, yet packs serious torque. The automatic needle threader, independent bobbin winder, and one-push needle plate conversion all streamline your workflow, so you spend less time setting up and more time creating. The bright LCD screen, intuitive dial, and 1,000 stitches per minute speed give you the perfect balance of control and performance. Add 6 LED lights that eliminate every shadow, and you've got a dream setup for long hours of sewing. The Janome MC6550 isn't cheap, but when you compare its price to performance, nothing else comes close. It's built for serious sewists who want commercial precision in a home setting, reliable, accurate, and designed to last a lifetime. So there you have it, my picks for the best sewing machines for home use right now. Whether you want mechanical durability, digital control, or industrial performance, one of these will fit your needs perfectly. If you want to check prices or see full specs, I've linked every product below. And I'd love to hear from you. What sewing machine are you using right now? Drop it in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more breakdowns like this, and I'll see you in the next one.